If you don't know how to add Instagram account to Account Center, follow my steps. Open your Instagram app, make sure you are logged into it. You also need to make sure that you are logged in to another account that you want to add in Account Center. To see if another account is logged in, tap on the profile on bottom right corner. Now tap on your username, which is on the top left corner. Here you can see these are the accounts that you are logged in into. To add those accounts in Account Center, you want to tap on the horizontal lines on the top right corner and then tap on Settings. Now you just want to scroll down to Account Center and tap on it. Now to add Instagram account, you want to tap on Add Instagram account, which is on the second option. And now the logged in profile will show on the screen, and you just want to do is tap on Continue, or if it's not you, then tap on Not You. Then tap on Continue again. To enable connected experiences, tap on Continue again. Now you want to read all the terms and conditions, then add your account. And that is how you can add Instagram account to Account Center. That is all for today. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.